Hello everyone. So my name is Sneha Mishra. So yesterday we learn about swar in Hindi, how many vowels we have, and then I divided into four different category. First was we have total 11 vowels and two ayogva, ank and a. Those called ayogva. Then those 11 swar also I divided into three part. One is Hrisaswar, we have five letter which take a small time to speak. Okay, and five different letter we have a Dirghaswar, okay, which take long time to say, and we have one single letter which called Ardhaswar. Re. Ardhaswar means which is half swar and half vyanjan, means half vowel and half consonants. So for the detailed video you can check to my that video. And now today we are going to learn the consonants in complete division with the parts, how we pronounce it, and I have tried to write in between some English word also, and I don't know if you are able to see my screen proper because first time I'm recording like this. So please do write in a comment how I should change it, what I should do more, okay? And I'll find this ring light is coming in between, but I'm not able to fix it right now. Let's focus on our word, okay? So yesterday we learn about, let me actually off this light. It is not coming properly. Ha. I think you are able to see me. Let's see with the less light. Okay, so today we talk about the word which called swar, total 11. Okay, before that we see we have total 52 alphabet along with swar, with vyanjan, with digud shabd, with ayogva, with sanyukt vyanjan. So we have total 52 alphabet. Now let's see the division, how we keep them separate or how we divide them. So first let's talk about swar as a quick revision. So a, I, u, re, e, o. Okay, so these are our Hindi vowels which we have already learned yesterday. Now let's see the vyanjan. Okay, how many vyanjans we have? These called actually sparsh vyanjan, but which I will teach you in detail when will come the sound from where this sound comes. So this is, listen the pronunciation properly. This is ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Then cha, cha, ja, jha, iya. Then ta. If you can see the English word, I'll bring it little closer. If you can see the English word, you see here, I have written double T and A. Ta, tha, da, dha, ra. Because they take a different, like you have to pressurize while saying ta, tha, da, dha, and ra. So, okay. Then ta, tha, da, dha, na. Then pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Now, or later I can see. Okay, now ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sa, ha. I have written all the letters English pronunciation also. So you can make it zoom, you can see it more clearly. So I hope you are repeating after me because many time in my class there is a big confusion. The kids, they don't able to identify the letter proper just because of the pronunciation. If I ask them to write khana, so they still ask, ma'am, which khana, the first ka or second ka, which I have covered in my one reel. You can check it, okay, the letter with air and without air. So now ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Okay, now these are the basically our consonants. Okay, now let's see here. I can open my light today now because yes, I will teach this side so it will cover. Okay. Now here, see, we have the Sanyukt Vyanjan. Okay, Sanyukt Vyanjan, which we have four Sanyukt Vyanjan, which are Ksha, Tra, Gya, Shra. Ksha, Tra, Gya, Shra. I have made reel for this also, and with which two different half consonants these words, these letters are made. So please do check it out. Then Ayogva, which yesterday I explained in my video, which is Ang, which is Anuswar, and Aha, Visarg, which it gives the Ha sound, Aha. Okay, so these, some people still thinks that there are 13 vowels because they include this also, but actually they are not a vowels, they called Ayogva. Okay, they are not free. So swar means which is completely free. They don't need support of any consonants or any other letter, but they are not free. They need support of either consonants or the swar. Okay, then we have two word called digud. Digud. Okay, they are ra and ra. Ra and ra. Okay, so you will never see any word start with this letter. They will come either in center or the end. Okay, and I hope I have covered, I have divided it into this part: swar, vyanjan, sanyukt vyanjan, ayogva, and digur vyanjan. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask, as I am actually used to teach in my classroom with proper smart board, whiteboard and everything, but I'm trying my best. Slowly I will improve it. But if you are able to understand whatever I'm teaching, please do let me know. And thank you. Good night.